I overslept?
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
Oh! Hey!
Assignment 70 Tango, return kids' missing milk money. You spent it on a movie and double popcorn.
I was framed.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh, that smarts. Ouch! Oh, Charlie! Ow!
At ease. Now, if you want to stay on Earth, you have to do a good deed. A real good deed. Until you do, I'm putting you on probation. Dismissed!
Nice going, Jolly. How come you mess up and I get soaked?
Hey, that's what pals are for, Rich.
So, what are you gonna do for a good deed, Jolly?
I don't know. I'll think about it at Sasha's place. You know, relax, shoot a game of pool.
Wait, Jolly! Short legs!
Itch.
Jolly, somebody stole the flea bite club.
Someone changed the flea bite. What the? They tossed my lucky pool table?
Get your paws off of me! A gentleman would never treat a lady like this.
Whoever said you were a lady?
Or that he was a gentleman.
Ow! Shut up.
Sasha, what happened?
Carface came and suggested some improvements for the club.
Like what?
Like kicking me out. He stole my place, Charlie.
That jerk! If only I'd been here.
Where were you?
There was this fire at the zoo, and I had to ice down the penguins. Yow!
Charles, you're on probation. You can't do, think, or say anything bad. That includes fibbing. Bye-bye.
Okay, the truth is, I was buying this cheeseburger, and it turned out that killer was the... Of course, Carface. Oh, that creep. Got us in trouble, so he'd be out of the picture. Let's check this out, Itch. Be right back, Sasha.
Charlie, the flea bite club. It's ruined.
That rat. Oh, next time I see him, I'm gonna knock him.
Bad thought, huh?
Yeah, but it felt good.